How to fix PUBG stuck on loading screen. Now in this video, I will show you how to fix that problem. Now first of all, close and restart PUBG, So first, if your game is stuck, close PUBG completely, tap the home button on your phone and swipe away the game. So after that, open the PUBG again to see if it loads properly. After that, check your internet connection. So next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, try to turn it off and turn it on again. So if you are using mobile data, check if your signal is strong. Now after that, click clear cache. Now if it's still stuck, you can try to clear the cache of the game. So go to your phone settings, then apps, then PUBG mobile storage, tap on clear cache. This helps fix any temporary problems. Now after that, you can update the game if that none is work. Now make sure your PUBG app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store if you are using the iPhone and search for PUBG and tap on update if there is a new version of that game. And then in the last step, restart your phone. So if it's still not working, try restarting your phone. This can help clear up any issue that might be causing the game to freeze. Now this is how to fix PUBG stuck on loading screen. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.